Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna give for a heaven world. I was making a video, but my cousin disturbed me. I'm in a call with her, but she said she's gonna leave and rejoin. So you already saw the my world, the survival one. So yeah, I don't know if you saw it. Yeah, you saw it. So we're gonna start with this word. So I was looking at TikTok and I made this ice cream stand. I sell strawberry and vanilla. My cousin from my mom's side did this because I was in a call with my cousin and my dad's side, and that's a void. I don't want to go in it. So this is a haunted house. Why is that cute picture there with this cute thing? So you stand here and you bam. Because when you enter from there, there's no pressure plate. You cannot open it. So this is the only way to escape. So yeah. And let's go see. We're gonna see that's last because that's my stash. So yeah. I'm gonna mute for a minute. I'm back, guys. So let me leave the boat, and I'm gonna show you my chicken. Actually, we're gonna show you the house last. So yeah, my chickens. One of them was a baby. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my stash. Wow, 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 wow. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you my house. My roller coaster doesn't work because when I put the car, it starts wiggling like. And this is my pool, And he's like my brother. He made an explosion here. So yeah, yeah. So yeah, let's cover it with grass. I don't know why I covered that much. So yeah, and yeah, and yeah. I was talking to my cousin, and yep. Let's show you the inside of the house. So before we go in the inside, you're wondering why is that there? Well, you come here. Come here. Bam, and then either you fall there or you fall here, and then you land in water. I landed in water. And then when I go in that hole, and then we go there. I was supposed to go in here. And let's get in the inside of the house. But before we go in the inside, we go from here, the ladder. We're not gonna go from here because that leads to the second floor. So, because I want to show you from the bottom. So this is my living room, my chandelier, and this is a couch. I don't know why it looks weird. And Bro, why is there this in there? And the kitchen is small because I was in a rush and there was no space. So why is there a hole here? Boom, bam, movie theater, Peter. And then you come here, an extra kitchen, which is much more better. And then why when I go here, see, when I get the purple stone, it says it's block of gold. That's not even gold. So that's diamond. I put this guy with a knife, cause don't enter here, cause that's an exit. And then you come here, and then come here. I put my stuff here. Let's put my stuff here. Boom, bam, 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 bada boom, boom, pow. That's how you do it. Boom, bam, 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 bada boom, boom, pow. But oh, I didn't see my inventory was. Boom, bam, 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 bada boom, boom, pow. That's how you do it. And then you come here. You don't go from there. And then you can come here. And then you don't enter from here. Because if you go here, if you want to enter the same room, you come from here. And then if you follow the door, you can come here. And you can come here. And then that leads to the kitchen. And the stash stuff. And then you can go here and blah blah and blah 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 and so. And then you're back at the movie theater. And you cannot even jump because it's so short. So we're gonna show you the upstairs on the. We're gonna show you the. Run! Add.